In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on the Tellet platform. It's super simple. All you need to do is head to tellet.ai. It'll take you to this page here, and then up at the top you can see that we've got this login button. Click login and it will bring you to this page. Now there's a couple of fields here. We don't want to fill those in just yet because we haven't created our account. So instead, come down to the bottom where it says not a member yet, create an account. And it's going to bring you to this page where there'll be various fields to fill in, including your first name, surname, telephone number, email address, and a password. Simply fill those in and click next. And there we go. Now it's sent a verification email to your email address. So simply head over to your email account where you should have received an email that looks a bit like this. Sometimes worth checking in your spam folder if it hasn't arrived. It can occasionally end up there. Now all you need to do is click Let's Get Started. So there we go. Now you can see that the email has been successfully verified. So now we're going to enter the dashboard. And here we go. Now you have your Tellet account. Now the platform will automatically label your organization with your name. And if you're the first person from your company to create a Tellet account, we would advise that you rename that organization to reflect your company name. And it's super simple. All you need to do is come up to that pink icon in the top left, and then you'll see this organizational settings button. Click that, and now you're into the organizational settings page. And this is where you can rename your organization by simply clicking these three dots here. Click rename organization, and I'm going to rename mine Tellet, and I'm going to hit submit. And there we have it. My organization has now been renamed and I've created my Tellet account.